My hair is restoring its natural color every day. My scalp is healthy, nourished, and hydrated. Melanin production in my hair is increasing naturally. Every cell in my scalp is working to bring back vibrant hair color. My hair is smooth, shiny, and full of life. Blood flows perfectly to my scalp, nourishing my hair. My hair is soft, silky, and easy to style. My body provides all the nutrients needed for healthy hair. Melanocytes in my scalp are activated and working effectively. My DNA supports safe and natural hair rejuvenation. My hair grows stronger and healthier every day. My scalp regenerates quickly and efficiently. I am regaining youthful, vibrant hair effortlessly. My hair color reflects my health and vitality. I see visible improvements in my hair every day. My hair remains healthy, hydrated, and beautiful. Every strand of my hair shines with life and energy. I trust my body to restore my natural hair color safely. I embrace my hair's transformation with gratitude. My restored hair color is noticeable and lasting. My hair reflects my inner vitality and balance. My hair is naturally healthy. I have perfectly healthy hair cells. Having beautiful hair is just a normal part of my life. I can restore my natural hair color. I love my natural hair color. Reversing gray hair is easy. Reversing gray hair is easy for me. People admire my youthful-looking hair. My hair cells can produce abundant amounts of melanin. Producing melanin in high quantities is something I just do normally. Relaxation and positive thinking will help me to reverse my gray hair. My hair is naturally healthy and vibrant. I have perfectly healthy and nourished hair cells. Every strand of my hair is strong, shiny, and resilient. My scalp is healthy, balanced, and full of life. I effortlessly maintain beautiful, glowing hair. I can easily restore my natural hair color. My natural hair color shines beautifully. Reversing gray hair comes naturally to me. My hair color is radiant and full of life. Restoring my natural hair color is part of my daily transformation. I love the natural beauty of my hair. People admire my youthful, lustrous hair. My hair looks youthful and full of vitality. I feel confident with my naturally vibrant and youthful hair. My hair cells produce melanin in perfect abundance. Producing melanin is effortless and natural for my hair cells. Every strand of my hair is rich with natural pigments. My body supports optimal melanin production for vibrant hair color. My hair follicles are activated to restore melanin levels naturally. Relaxation and self-care help restore my natural hair. Positive thinking supports my journey to healthy, beautiful hair. I trust my body's natural ability to reverse gray hair. My calm and confident mind nurtures my hair's vitality. I welcome relaxation as a tool for restoring my hair.